India serves as a prime destination for myriad bird species undertaking long migratory journeys, spanning thousands of kilometers, to enjoy its diverse habitats and climatic conditions. Elegant and ethereal, Siberian cranes fly from the Arctic tundra to northern India, seeking warmer winter grounds, showcasing incredible endurance and navigational skills. Vibrant and statuesque, greater flamingos travel from parts of Africa and the Middle East to India's wetlands, adding splashes of pink to the landscape. Remarkable for their long flights, Amur Falcons migrate from Siberia to northeast India, covering vast distances over the sea and land, seeking warmer climates. Adaptable and resilient, bar-headed geese cross the Himalayas, the highest flying birds, to winter in India's wetlands, showcasing extraordinary altitude adaptability. Elegant waders, black-tailed godwits embark from Europe and West Asia to the marshes of India, showcasing their adaptability and the importance of wetlands. Distinctive for their breeding plumage, ruffs migrate from the colder regions of Eurasia to the wetlands of India, demonstrating incredible journeying prowess. Sleek and swift, northern pintails migrate from the northern regions of Asia and Europe to India, attracted by its abundant wetlands and warm climate. A powerful raptor, the osprey migrates from Europe and Africa to India, showcasing its fishing prowess in Indian rivers and coasts. Graceful and social, common cranes travel from Europe and North Asia to the marshes of India, forming an impressive sight during their winter stay. Elegant hunters, pallid harriers journey from Eastern Europe and Central Asia to India's grasslands in search of warmer weather and abundant prey,